place along that point and the circle seems to work.
Yeah, look, I can spin it. It has to be this. It's like right
What
there.
happens if you let this hand go? Still works. What happens if I put my finger... Oh, wow, I can feel it vibrating.
Wow. Isn't it weird though? It's like the water going up. It's like the pressure of the water.
Let me turn it down a little bit.
No, see, I told you,
Yeah.
it's the water pressure at like a certain...
You get it?
No, turn it up. There you go.
Wow. I'm going to turn it up a little more.
It's almost easier with more pressure.
Yeah, definitely. Is it just that angle?
It's that angle.
So if you go like the other way. Or if you go more like that.
No, because then you lose it off. Then is it maybe if it's at the same point? So you can only hit that point if you hold it at a certain angle, right? Because like if you go like that, it's not gonna. It's that at that angle.
Even if I mess up the water that much.
It's just the pressure.